This is today's project. About to wash some windows here. We just bought this camper about a month or so ago. Ignore those tables and chairs there. But about to tackle washing the windows here. Can't tell. You can a little bit. There's a little spot right there. And you can see this stuff right there. Some of that may be on the inside too, but a lot of it's on the outside. So about to wash all these windows right here. A couple on this side, and there's, I think there's many on this side. There's one there, 2, 3, 4, 6 windows on this side, because I think there's one on this side of the sod out too. So yep, about to wash these windows. Let's get it. So I want to show you, you can see the difference, major difference between this window and this one. I just cleaned this one, and you can see this one right here. It's got a lot of that on there. So I run my finger through it and it'll come right off, but just wanted to show you that. Alright guys, so this is the absolute easiest way to wash windows. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the squeegee here, I'm just getting the window fully covered in the squeegee stuff. And so then I take the back of it right here, and then I run down, do that, then I go here, and I go there. And then all I do, take a paper towel, wipe around the edges. That way you don't get any drip stains, as I call them. Wipe around the edge of the top, middle, and all around this edge. And then you've got a clean window. So that's the easiest way to do it that I've found. Honestly, it takes me longer to move all my stuff around to each window than it does to actually clean a window. So like I said, this is the easiest way to clean the windows that I've found. So there you go. guys, got the windows clean. Got them all done. I didn't really worry about that one. That was just a door. You can't really see through it anyway. I'll tell you what, I don't normally like washing windows, but this was kind of fun. I don't know why it was fun, but it was kind of fun. So, but anyway, you can see I got these windows pretty clean. It's real simple to do. And if y'all want to see some more videos like this, how-to videos and stuff, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do some more stuff like this, because there's a lot of things we do besides just lawn care. What's going on, guys? Hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little different cleaning windows and everything, but this is something I have done for a client in the past. So I figured I'd just do a how-to video, quick little video on how to do it and everything, and show you how easy it was. And so I kind of enjoyed today's video. I don't know why. I don't normally like cleaning windows, but kind of fun today. And so figured I'd go ahead and show you how to do it and everything while I was doing it. So hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see some more how-to videos or something like this, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get some more lined up. So appreciate you watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you later.